Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just go to the contacts, or maybe we will try the contacts. Okay, I don't need it. Okay. So here we've got the full list of contacts. So actually I recommend to use the contact app. And all we have to do is to basically find the contact which we would like to customize and tap on it. Then we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. And here we've got picture and calling card. So basically we will focus on the picture, so this the circle here, but we can also change the calling card. So just let me quickly show you. Here you can also choose something from the gallery, so you can choose the photo of this person. We've got Google Photos, so basically those which are backed up, and we can immediately open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. So let me just quickly show how to do it. For example, something like that, and tap on the stick icon to confirm, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full screen when the person is calling. Here you can also change the color of the of someone's name. You can also change the font, so as you can see a lot of customization. Let me tap on done. You can also use this picture as a contact picture. So we can either confirm and crop or skip it, because we will maybe take a photo of something different. So let's now tap on this plus icon, or just simply this circle. And basically here we've got much more sections from which we can choose the photo from. So in the device photos we've got camera. Obviously we can tap on it and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. We can also choose something from the gallery. Same situation with Google Photos. We can also use monogram, so we can use the first letter of someone's name or surname. We can of course customize it, so just tap on it and you can change it to whatever you would like to. We can use only 2 different letters. So let me go back to C. We can also change the background color. We can change the font. We can also use emoji instead of the letter. Just tap on this emoji, and here you can choose something from regular options, or you can pick illustrations, and those are free of charge and they're available online. So if you do not have a photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize and you don't really feel like using monogram, you can try to find something interesting right here. And let me pick, maybe, I don't know, maybe this one, the swing ride. So here in this situation we've got different presets, so we can change the colors of the ride, so it's totally up to you, and it doesn't matter whether you will choose the illustration or you will take a picture or choose it from the gallery, you will be able to crop it. So basically we can zoom in or out the photo, we can change the position of it, we can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. So here, as you can see, we've got our photo icon and obviously this calling card, and all you have to do is to tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.